Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This particular video is the Quick Tips video for Word Module 8. On the left I have the project open and on the right I have the training tutorials. As always, please do your training tutorials first. I'm going to expand the menu list for the Word Module 8 training tutorials. And there are several different new tasks that you're going to be learning in this module, but the focus is on collaboration. So I'm not sure if you've ever worked on a document with multiple people. Sometimes it can be challenging to keep up with the changes and suggestions that each person may have. Now, sometimes you can work on a document in real time, and then other times you can work on it in a non-synchronous format, meaning at different times. However, with the review features and comments, track changes features in Microsoft Word, multiple people can work on the same document and keep track of everybody's suggestions and changes. And so I'm not sure if you've done your training tutorials yet or not, but it is recommended that you do your training tutorials first. Each of the tasks that you learn in the training tutorials is going to link to a project step, so keep that in mind. And in Word Module 8, you're going to learn how to collaborate or work with others. Some of the actions involve how to track changes, and then once those changes are submitted, you can accept them or reject them. Also, when changes are made in a document, sometimes you may want to compare to the original document to see what did it look like before the changes, and then sometimes you may want to combine two different documents into one. So there are a lot of different features, and you want to make sure, as always, to pay attention to the wording in each task because each item will be different. And you want to make the distinction between the different types of activities you'll be doing. So, for example, the difference between embedding something and linking something as an example. Also, hopefully you've come to know that anytime you have a project step, whatever it asks you to do is going to match something that you learned in a training tutorial. Now, it's not going to be a one-to-one match, whereas project step number 1 matches task number 1 in the training tutorial, but somewhere in the list there should be a training tutorial task that matches a project step. So for Word Module 8, you're going to be collaborating on a memo, and of course, as always, the project steps tell you exactly who you are in that particular scenario, but you want to make sure that you pay attention to what it's asking you to do. And if you forget, you can always have your training tutorials open so that you can quickly identify what you need to review in order to help you complete that step. So there again, these are just quick tips for Word Module 8. As always, if you have questions, concerns, or comments, you can reach out to me via email at shenry, SHENRY, @lawsonstate.edu. Thanks for watching.